I'm screaming. I have been so excited to finally share with you guys that I have launched a new collection with Ladycode Cosmetics. It is called Everyday Sleigh. You guys are gonna love this collection, and this video is gonna be a behind the scenes of my shoot in Miami and all about this new collection. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back here in my favorite place, one of my favorite places, Miami Beach. I'm here for a very special photo shoot, and I'm so excited to take you guys along on this quick little trip. We left early this morning from Richmond, Virginia, and today was basically a travel day. We got here around like 9 o'clock, checked in at the hotel, and then we came straight to Miami Beach because listen, you can't come to Miami without coming to South Beach. So we went to Big Pink to eat this morning, one of our favorite spots here in Miami, and then we just went and hung out at the beach, and now we're just chilling for a little bit. Today is just like a day of relaxation, and we're just soaking up the sun. If you didn't know already, the beach is definitely my happy place. South Beach is just one of the most beautiful places on the planet. I am certain of it. I went to eat at Lolo's, which is at the Marriott Stanton South Beach. We actually ate here and stayed at this hotel a year ago when I shot the campaign for the Beauty and the Beach palette. This restaurant is bomb, you guys. I'm so thankful that my baby girl, Shaylin Pope, came with me. It was the best pina colada that she's ever had. Delish. Okay, look at this view from the Marriott Stanton South Beach. I mean, are you kidding me? This is why we had to come back here, just to soak up this view, and I'm hoping that I'll have another little trip there this summer. We'll just see. Now on to photo shoot day. We arrived at Ladycode headquarters. This place is just so amazing. This is where they do all of their shoots. This is where all of the magic happens, all of the makeup. Look, I can't believe that my first palette is in this shop. It's crazy. They sell all kinds of stuff, accessories, makeup, you name it, they have it. This was the wardrobe lineup for today's shoot, and Lisa Opie literally did this entire thing. She was the creative director behind all of it. She did my hair, she did my makeup, she did it all. Literally, she's got the cutest puppy in the entire world. This is Luxie the Palm. She's so stinking cute. I'm here at the Ladycode HQ with the one and only Lisa Opie. She's like, no pictures right now. I am getting my hair and makeup done, getting ready for the most epic shoot ever. I cannot wait to show you guys these pictures. They're going to be absolutely incredible. Now it's time to get this shoot underway. This is look number 1. I'm obsessed with it. Look at this hair. Oh my gosh. Yes, I have extensions in, but like the bigger the hair, the closer to God. Like that's how I view it. And this is just insane. I love that we incorporated fresh flowers into this shoot. We are about to head out to the beach for the second look. Look at my hair. And I have this big look. Show that. This is gonna go over top and it's gonna look epic. I did a quick little interview about this collection before we headed out to the location that we were shooting at, and I got to ride in the famous pink Jeep from Lisa Opie. You know, it has its own Instagram page, and I honestly love looking at behind the scenes stuff for photo shoots because it's just fascinating to me how they get the perfect shot. I feel like most people that see the finished product of these shoots really don't understand the amount of time, energy, and work that goes into getting the perfect shot. Look at this statue. This was the most massive statue I think I've ever seen in my entire life. I loved shooting at this. This was crazy. And we had our little moment on the ground, which I thought was really fun. This was a great way to get a close-up of the eyeshadow look. And then this was probably my favorite look of all. Luxie the Palm tried to get in the photo shoot with me. I was happy to have her a part of it. But this was my Kim K moment. That's how I feel. I feel like this was my Kim K moment. Now that you've seen all the behind the scenes, let's go ahead and see some of the finished shots and the big reveal of the Everyday Sleigh collection, Glam Belle times Ladycode. was thinking of this collection, I just wanted something that every single person could pick up and see themselves using every single day. You can go from that day to night look. I was really just praying because my faith is such a huge part of who I am. I was like, Lord, what do I name these shadows? I want it to make sense, and I want it to speak to my heart, and I want it to speak to you guys' hearts. He just told me, remind them of who they are in me. So every single name of these shadows are going to remind you of who you are meant to be. So whether that is peaceful, powerful, free, redeemed, these shadows are going to make you feel that as you put them on, and hopefully it's going to be a reminder of who you truly are. This lip gloss is honestly my everyday color. It's like a pale pink, but you can pair it with lots of different lip liners to change up the look. It's neutral enough that you can wear it every single day, and I named this Faithful because it's a color that never ever fails me. It is that faithful color that I know is gonna look good with every single look. This lash is a very kind of simple lash, but it's gonna enhance any look. It's a lash that can be worn every single day. It's not overdone. It's got a little bit of a curl to it. It's a little wispy, but it's on the shorter side, so you don't really feel like you're wearing a huge lash. I named this lash Grace because I just thought she is beauty, she is grace, and grace just, to me, is not overdone. It's just the right amount of beauty. And so she's named Grace, and I love it. This entire collection is available right now at theladycodeshop.com. I'll have everything linked in the description box. You can buy it as a bundle or each product individually. I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you for all of your support over the years. It means the world to me. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be doing this right now if it weren't for you guys. Thank you to everyone that's already purchased, as you can see, and I just feel so incredibly blessed to have this opportunity. I love you guys.